Hi guys, welcome back. This time we're going to talk about configuring our Naza system with the RadioLink. I'm going to use the R9D with the AT9. Okay. I'm also going to show you this for the AT10 on another video, so bear with me. So for this time we're going to go with the AT9. So what will you need? Obviously a battery, just one, and this is a good thing, just one extender, one kind of servo extender. It's not an extension. It's a female to female kind of, I don't know, or male to male, whatever. One of these plugs. And the receiver itself, and also the small screwdriver. I'm going to show you why you need that. And obviously a Naza. So first things first, you need to connect your receiver to your Naza. So it's easily done. It will connect on right there, channel 9. That port on the horizontal is the Sbus port. So let's go ahead and connect it. So we got, we should connect it right this, like this, like so. So we got negative on top side, signal on the bottom, like that. And on your Naza, the connection is on the X2 port right here. So you should connect with the negative facing up. You should connect on your X2 port right there. All right, and then you can go ahead and connect your GPS if you have one, and your external kind of LED kind of thingy in there. All right. So next step is to put our receiver on Sbus. So let's connect the battery. And one other thing, guys, please remove your props when doing this stuff. Otherwise, you're gonna get hurt. Believe me. Ask me how I know. Let me just adjust the camera a little bit in here. Okay. So let's go and connect your battery. Connect battery right there. Okay, and let's put our receiver on Sbus. So just find that little slot that has the fail-safe button right there, okay, and press it twice, just like a mouse. Click it twice. And so we have that bluish kind of color, which means that we are now on Sbus, okay. So go ahead and plug your, let's unplug this again. Let's plug in the USB cable on our Naza thing, LED module. All right, let's plug that to the computer right there. Before plugging in the power, let's talk about one other thing. It will work on Windows 10, so we shouldn't have a problem for all of you guys that already have 10. Radio wise, just connect it. Just go ahead to your model type, select aircraft, and then reset it, and we're good to go. Okay, so let's connect the battery, so we can go to our assistant. So the computer will recognize the Naza, hopefully. Let's turn our assistant on. Terrific. And I'm going to show you the computer right now. What is it? Bear with me. Sorry about the camera stuff. I need to keep moving my GoPro around. Okay. Should be good enough. So go to your assistant, and first of all, select Basic. Go to RC, okay, and select D-Bus. They call it D-Bus. I don't know why they call it D-Bus, but okay. It's like DJI bus or something like that. And select D-bus and go ahead and start your calibration. Just press start, move your sticks around on your radio like so, move to the complete extremes, and when you're finished just put them all centered smack in the middle right there and press finish, and you're good to go. Now check the directions of each channel. So for example, aileron, if you push your stick to the left, the slider has to go to the left, as shown here. Stick to the right, goes to the right. For the elevator, if you push it up, it will go to the right. Okay? If you push it down, it will go to the left. All right? For the throttle, down is down, up is up. So down is left, up is right. Same as elevator, down is left, up is right. Okay? And for the rudder, obviously left is left and right is right. So this means we got our stick calibration done. Next thing we need to do is calibrate our radio for this. Now, here comes the most fun part, is to calibrate your radio for this. Let me just pick up the GoPro again. Sorry about this. Let me just put this in order for you guys to see. So, what do we need to do? First of all, let's on our Naza assistant right there, the U is mapped to channel 7. So let's first of all set our flight modes. So let's go and do that. So select go to the menu, advanced menu, go to attitude right there. Okay, so you guys select the select attitude, and go ahead and select channel 7 on the channel right there. I'm sorry guys, I'm fiddling around with the camera right here. So go ahead and select channel 7. Okay, and select the switch, the 3-position switch over there that you guys want to. So I'm gonna go with the switch E in here, top 3-position switch. So select E. All right, and the other one that I'm gonna choose, and this will be for fail-safe, I'm gonna choose switch D, this one right here. Okay, so let's go and select switch D. Perfect. So now as we flip switch E, we got 1, 2 flight modes, and then we go to D, and with D down we have 1, 2, another 3 flight modes. So we have 6 flight modes on this. And as you will see on the Naza right there, the assistant, you can see the, let me see if I can show this. You can see as I flip the switch, the U is changing. So all we need to do now is set the rates. Okay, so what rates do we want? I want this first position to be my manual. So let's just go ahead to the radio, let's call it normal, and go ahead and select the rate in order for you to move. And as you move this value, as you can see there on the Naza, I don't know if you can see this, let me just slide a little closer for you guys to see this. And as you roll this knob, as you can see, the slider will roll from one side to the other. So let's put this on manual. Perfect. Now next one will be, and just push the button to press OK, to select OK. Next one, we're going to go with attitude. So let's put our radio on this second flight mode, second position on the switch. So this, we're going to go with attitude. Again, go to the rate right there. Okay, select the rate, and slide your rate. I got 51. You can get different values on this, so be aware. So, oops, sorry, I bumped the camera. So we got attitude done. Let's go to GPS. Now let's put this on the third position. It goes all the way up there. Select the rate, and let's just adjust it until it goes to GPS. There you go. I got 79% right there. GPS. Okay? So we're done. For this, we're done. And now, what I want to do, and I want this switch right here, D, to be my oh crap switch. So if anything goes wrong, I just flip this one, and it will immediately go into failsafe and return to launch. So I want this in every position. This will override everything. It doesn't matter on which position this one is, the flight mode. It will always, if I flip this, it will always go to failsafe. Okay, so that's what I want to do. So let's put this on manual right there, first position, and let's flip switch D. Actually, this one is going into failsafe, but I'm going to adjust it a little bit. So how do you do that? First of all, I'm going to call all of those, I'm going to call them failsafe. So let's put failsafe on this one and failsafe on this one. So all of them will be failsafe. All right. So I'm on the first. Let me take this one out. So right now I'm on manual mode. I'm going to flip switch D, and I'm going to go up to here, the first failsafe. And actually on the Naza, it's already in failsafe. But I'm going to adjust it a little bit. So go to the rates, and oops, to the other side. So yeah, right smack in the middle, failsafe. Perfect. So I got 37% on that one. Remember, your values may vary. All right. So next one. So let's flip this into manual, put this in attitude mode, and flip switch D again. So it's going to the other side of the spectrum on the slider right there. So let's change that. I want it to go to the exact same spot as the other one. Failsafe. Press end. So I got 38. I don't know if you can see that. 38% on that one. Oh, okay. And last but not least, let's put this in GPS mode and flip switch my oh crap switch again. Okay, and it's going up there. Let me just adjust it a little bit in order for it to go right smack in the middle. Right there. And 38% again. It doesn't matter. I input this. You can input the same value on these last three modes. The failsafe. It can be the same value on all of them. I put 38. So it doesn't matter which flight mode on the 3-position switch you have. Okay, it would always be on failsafe. As you can see, I'm switching my flight modes, but because of this one is flipped, the D, it will always stay on failsafe. So perfect. First part's done. So our flight modes, failsafe is done. Let's calibrate our X1 and X2. So okay, X1, if I'm not mistaken, let me just check that. And our X2 will be channel 6, and our X1, let me see if I got it mapped right here. Okay, on channel 5. So X1, we need to put X1 on a VR knob that I'm going to use it for gains. Okay, let me just pull the camera back a little bit. Okay, so I can have more room to work with. So let's go to the configuration again. Go to the auxiliary channel, and let me check that again. I just forgot. So channel 5 this is X2 on channel 6, and channel 5 is actually X1. So channel 5. So let's go to our auxiliary channel and map our channel 5 to VRA. It's this one right here. All right. So if we check the servo, do a servo check, we got channel 5 and 6 doing the same stuff. And as you can see on the Naza right there, assistant, you can see both sliders going up and down. So what we need to do right now is map channel 6 to being our X2. X2 will be our what do you call it? They call it intelligent position or orientation control. Okay, if you have a GPS module. So let's go to our let's go to our auxiliary channel again, channel 6, and I'm gonna choose a 3-position switch right here. It's gonna be our G. So switch G right there. Perfect. And now as you flip switch G, you got off, course lock, and home lock. Let me show that. Sorry, my hand was on the way. So off, course lock, and home lock. Okay, 3 positions on our switch right here. This one. Okay, that's all there is to it. Now I like mine to be off when it's on the towards the back of the radio. So right now it's reversed. No problem. Just go ahead and go to reversed on your radio, channel 6, and reverse it. Are you sure? Yes, I'm sure. So now, as you can see right there, towards the back is off. I'm going to go with course lock and home lock. Okay, guys. So this is it. And another step that you need to do is go to Basic, RC, and calibrate your X1. Let's start. This is obviously Naza V2. So for Naza Lite or something, it will be different, but it's kind of the same procedure for all of them. So let's put this in the middle, press finish, and you're good to go. So our slider right there, going up and down. Okay, now guys, one thing I forgot to mention that is probably one of the most important stuff on these kinds of configuration is failsafe. Now, the procedure is exactly the same for your AT9 as for the AT10. Because RadioLink allows you to set failsafe on any channel, just go ahead and select play failsafe, go to channel 7, change it to failsafe, and now it has the percentage of the rating that you want. Go ahead and flip your switch, your failsafe switch right here, controls channel 7, to failsafe. Okay, and now long press this till it assumes the percentage on which the switch should be. This channel should be when it goes to failsafe. So go ahead and end that. And as you can see, we got this connected right here. Let me just set the radio here. And now I'm going to switch the radio off. It's in manual. I can select the different flight modes. Okay, GPS, attitude, manual. So it doesn't matter in which one it is. If I switch the radio off, it will go into failsafe. Switch it on, comes back. Let's put it on attitude. Switch it off, failsafe. Switch it on, comes back. That's it, guys. Setting up failsafe for this, very easy. So this is all there is to it. Not very hard. It's kind of simple. Sorry about this, guys. Very simple. All you need to do now is power cycle your Naza. Maybe you'll need to calibrate your GPS and stuff, but that's all Naza stuff, not actually the radio. So let me just connect this. Beep, beep. 4 cells, and it's blinking as it should. I'm going to arm it, and let's see if we can see the motor spin. There you go. Perfect, guys. That's it. That's the configuration of the R9D with your Naza flight controller. I hope this was helpful, guys. Sorry about all the messing with the camera and stuff, but I got a tight space right here, so this was the only way to do. So thanks again for watching, guys. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.